Welcome back to Hollis Urban Garden. What you're seeing here is the coconut fiber. It comes in a brick like that, but it's a really thick brick. And these are the results of breaking it up. You get a nice amount to add to your soil and manure. You get in there and mix it up. Don't be afraid to play in the coconut fiber. It's just coconut fiber. Just want to show you guys what I meant when I was saying the coconut. Well, I said cocoa coir, but coconut fiber, cocoa coir, it's the same thing. It's kind of hard, so you have to soak it in water. And it still has to suck up all the water, so it's best to actually do it with warm water. When we're outside, you'll be coming out a few times if you want to do it with the hot water, or you can do it in the house and bring it outside if you have some strong arms, like Mr. Hollis here. But I had already brought everything out, so we're using the garden hose. But as you can see, you get a lot of cocoa fiber in just a brick. It's a nice square brick. Alright. So just wanted to update you guys on the coconut fiber that we use, that we start out and add to our soil. That's what's in some of that seed starting mix that I showed you guys before, but I was just waiting on my coconut fiber. So I have it, and then I'll put just some topsoil in and manure. Topsoil here, just something from your local store, something like that. And then the manure is Scott's. So just some regular soil, and then some of the things that I put in before, like the perlite and vermiculite and fertilizer. So just want to update you guys on that. Hopefully I will be able to update a video of us planting the Red Delicious apple that I promised. We'll let you guys know. All right then. Well, thanks for stopping by Hollis Urban Garden. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Many blessings to you all.